Pero from our experience, pati lahat ng bumagsak na the serious issues against the government at that time, kung sila yung humawak ng gobyerno, is yung corruption. Corruption talaga, Pastor.
So yung corruption, Mayor, kung rampant yun, delikado, no? Delikado.
So, yan ang i-control talaga ng presidente. Madali lang man yan, Pastor. Sabihin lang niya, isang salita lang yan. Whether it could be, I'm not trying to attribute anything, pero the usual kasi yung paboritong is the customs, BIR. Granting that or assuming na totoo yan o hindi, all he has to do is or any other government isang sabihin mo lang, do not do it. Or if it is a contract amounting to billions, itong mga government owned corporations, padala mo yung justification mo for approving or disapproving a contract. Para malaman ko kung madali lang man. You only give the legal office, your legal office sa Malacanang, to tell them to give you a synopsis. Yung brief lang na isang page lang na gano'n, malaman ang mga abogado, isang tingin lang rin yan. So, ganun lang yan. Wala mang problema. Pero yan ang talking about a kudeta or a violent overthrow of government. Historically dito, it's always corruption. Abuse of authority. Uncontrolled mga abuses na hindi talaga na bipigilan. So, simple lang yan. Isang salita ng presidente yan. Maniwala naman lang. And there's always the military mautosan niya na kindly because upon his orders, the military can always intervene.